Also, new arrival, the 72 Chevrolet Suburban, medium olive green and white over white and olive green.
Mm-hmm.
Rebuilt 350, Holly Terminator fuel injection. I love those. I think those are so cool. Low mile automatic. It's a classic family hauler. It's a family truckster.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah, very, very cool.
And
it's not perfect.
No, it's not perfect. It's, it's got some issues, but it's, you just don't see them anymore.
When we say issues, this one has just some visual stuff. It's got some, little spots here and there and a rub and a nick and it's been used.
Yeah.
It's been used as to what hauling the family up to the mountains or to the shore or to wherever you go with the family.
That's right.
And really a neat unit and talk about popular. People see that thing and you watch them gravitate right towards it.